I am Harpreet Singh from JRE Group of Institution, and today we are going to speak about Edu India, how engineering education has taken a great shape over the period of time in India. I think engineering education in the last 2-3 decades have evolved, and especially in the last 10 years there is a huge transformation in engineering education. Especially technology is playing now a big role. As you can see that India is the major exporter of manpower in IT services across the world, and it is because of engineering education has provided engineers to IT sector, and almost 250,000 engineers today go to IT sector, as they are believed to be strong in analytical skills, assimilation skills, and also they can speak English as a language, so which connects the whole global world. So it is very interesting that Greater Noida over the period of time has emerged as a great higher education hub. You have in the whole Greater Noida approximately 100 plus colleges of engineering, and in that it has also evolved as a great infrastructure. If you see the roads, if you see the malls, if you see the parks, everything is maintained at a world-class level. So it has become a education hub, and today we get students from all across the country, plus also from international countries. We get students currently from Malaysia, China, Nepal, Nigeria, Kenya, Africa. So all these countries, the students are coming, and I feel over the period of time we should be able to attract students from Europe, US, Canada, etc., because the education in US is very, very expensive, and while India, it is almost, if I compare 1:1, it is almost 1/10 or 1/7 of these countries. So I think with the current infrastructure of Greater Noida, it can really support all the international students who want to study at a low cost and with a cutting edge technology. And it is also true that there are top, out of this 100 colleges, I would say top 10-15 colleges are really great, and they can really rank very, very high because they provide good employment opportunities to all the students who are studying there. And besides the employment opportunity, I think the academics have also taken a leap. Today, you are going through great research programs in some of the colleges, which has tie-up with IITs and IITs to get access to their laboratories, and they can do great research work in these colleges. And also I see clearly that there are engineering students who are doing a great job on technology. Some students are very good in hacking, some students are very good in IT software, some students are very good in mobile Android technologies, and they are developing great apps. So technology has taken a big leap, I would say, in the last 10 years. And Greater Noida is a great facility where you have security, you have good infrastructure, and you have good places to eat your food. So, and you can get variety of food there. It's no more that only Indian food is available. You have Italian, you have Chinese, you have Burmese, all kind of food available. So coming back to engineering college, I would say that JRE is positioned as among the top colleges in Greater Noida, where we have developed a new technology of learning, which is called research-based learning, where we encourage our students to take projects and develop these projects parallel to the curriculum. And as we are affiliated to UP Technical University, which is one of the oldest university in the country, and there the students learn to deal with the projects. They develop new things, and actually two of our students have done wonderful job. They have been selected in by IEEE projects across the country where they get funding, and it has been continuous funding from this body IEEE. And also we have now tied up with Indo-US Engineering College Association, where we are one of the college across 190 colleges who are in that body, where the education happens through webinars, and it is run by Massachusetts Engineering College University, where top-notch professors from across the world teach various subjects which they are very good at, and our students listen to them, and our faculty also attends these, because there are a lot of faculty development programs run by this organization. So we are clearly becoming global in all form as JRE, because our students get global exposure to the students. And recently one of our students just visited Colombia as a part of this Indo-US initiative, and he was the top leader of India, representing about more than 70 colleges in India. And he presented there some of the ideas to how to make engineering education as easy and better. And his three of his ideas were among the top 10 ideas selected by across the world engineering colleges, which included MIT, Harvard, and Urbana-Champaign, these kind of universities. So clearly Indian education in engineering is coming up, and students are no more the same students what you had about 20 years back. They have global mindset, and they are approaching the issues in a global way. And some of the solutions are applicable not only in Indian way, it is also applicable, solutions are applicable all across the world. Incidentally, like Wipro GE, which makes healthcare equipments, and today Indian Wipro GE has designed ultrasound machine, which is one of the cheapest machine in the world on ultrasound, which costs hardly 20,000 rupees, and in dollar terms it is hardly some about $350, while abroad it used to cost somewhere around $3,000. So clearly Indian, and that's where Jeff Elmet has said that now there will be a reverse flow of ideas and designs will happen in India, and which will be applicable all across the world. The clear reason is that Indian population are not able to afford medical equipments at a very high cost. So obviously we need to do innovation where we can provide medical at a lowest cost, and whatever technology advancement has happened in healthcare, it is more looking at Europe and US kind of countries, where almost 2/3 of the population of the world is not able to get benefit of it. So there is huge need of engineering innovation to happen in the world, and this, I strongly believe, this will happen from India, because the need is here. We need to have cost-effective solutions to the population which is not up to the mark, or I would say poor. So I am sure Indian education on engineering will gallop from here in the next 10 years. So welcome to Greater Noida as a great education hub and engineering hub, and have a great life here. Thank you very much.